Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Books, Business, and Branding for Writers. I'm your host, Ashlyn King. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment on this video. I greatly appreciate it. So I'm gonna hop right in because these changes are going to take in effect. They're going to be in effect tomorrow. So if you use Lulu as far as distributing or even printing or distributing your book, then make sure you pay attention. All right. So I was doing some research for some other things and I came across this message right here. So as of November 9th, 2022, they will be adjusting their prices for printing rates as well as shipping rates due to supply chain and carrier costs. So it is a possibility that some of your books can earn zero, yes, zero revenue, meaning you ain't making no money, honey. All right. So if by chance by I guess tomorrow's date, if you have not made a change and it's found out that your book, your projects can earn zero revenue, then they will automatically adjust it on your behalf. So that's something great because I know we're all busy and we got things to do and we may not keep up to date with that. So if you do have your book on the Lulu's platform and you do see that the price has changed, this is possibly why, because they was looking out for your interest. All right, so I use Lulu for on print. So I have not used them as far as distribution. However, I guess if you need to revise the price of your book, let's just say you didn't make it in time for the change and maybe you're only making $1 or $2 per profit now per book. We want to go in and change those. So I guess, sign into your Lulu account, click under projects, click on revise, and then update the information, the pricing, right? I will say one of the great features I do like about them that I have not utilized is linking them to your website so they can handle everything for you. So just in case you're like, I want to draw traffic to my website, but I don't want to deal with shipping, then Lulu may be an option for you. All right, guys, so I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. Once again, please make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, until next time, take care.